HP StorageWorks has been a leader in storage virtualization technology for over 13 years. The new StorageWorks 4400 Enterprise Virtual Array leverages that expertise by automating array management processes and virtualizing physical resources. The EVA 4400 reduces data center complexity, giving customers fewer tasks to manage and freeing them to focus on moving their business forward. To demonstrate these benefits, HP recently put the EVA 4400's virtualization capabilities to the test against a traditional disk array from EMC, the Clarion CX310. IT professionals were invited to a side-by-side comparison to perform identical tasks on both arrays, including provisioning storage, creating snap clones, and expanding and contracting storage. Let's listen to the results.
We did some storage expansion on the EVA 4400, and that's what really made me smile. You just went in and simply changed the value from a certain number of gigabytes to an additional number of gigabytes, and it was done. The EMC product seemed much more difficult to use. You had to go through a lot more steps, and the steps had to be done in a certain procedure for a successful implementation. After working with both of the products, I would definitely lean towards the EVA 4400. I wasn't expecting the operation of the disk array to be so easy. It really did surprise me of the ease of use and of the simplicity of the user interface.
The management interface of the EMC, you had to go through a lot more steps than the EVA. On the EMC, it would cost you more money in the long run for the additional training and taking away your time to do other tasks. Personally, I would recommend the EVA 4400.
When you would add a host or manage an existing host, on the EVA management tool, the number of steps I had to follow to execute those tasks were significantly less than on the EMC device. The thing that impressed me the most about the evaluation is the simple, elegant interface on the EVA 4400. On the EMC, you let somebody that's not an absolute guru in storage work on the system. They don't understand what they're doing. You have to live with the consequences. The main reasons why I would recommend the EVA 4400 would be the day-to-day operational ease of use, but also I think a higher return on investment in that the technology is applied in a much more efficient way.
The HP setup was done much more for users. It was really made for somebody that didn't have to have a full-time SAN administrator to run the system. It is such an intuitive system. I think hands down, because of the value and the ease of use, I would be more than happy to recommend the HP EVA 4400 over the EMC.
On the EMC CX310, one of the most critical problems is the potential for human error. If you have 100 options, then there's a good chance that you make a mistake in one of those options. The EVA is very straightforward. In performing a task like provisioning a LAN to a server, the EVA is much faster and much easier to use, much more intuitive actually. Well, with snap cloning, it's more or less the same story like with LAN provisioning. You just do a couple of mouse clicks, so much easier for the unexperienced user. In terms of operational cost, the EVA, it saves a lot of time by being intuitive, it saves a lot of training costs and therefore save a lot of time and money. Based on our testing experience, definitely the EVA is much easier to manage. As a result of this test, it's a clear recommendation towards the EVA.
In the end, the HP StorageWorks 4400 Enterprise Virtual Array outperformed the EMC Clarion CX310 in every task of the EVA 4400 challenge. In fact, most tasks on the EVA 4400 took about half the time they took to complete on the EMC CX310. That's because the new EVA 4400 features the same powerful EVA management software used in the rest of the family of StorageWorks Enterprise Virtual Arrays. Command View EVA software simplifies standard storage tasks, which saves IT professionals time. And we all know time is money. Are you ready to simplify your storage? The HP StorageWorks EVA 4400. It's really that simple.